Hey, it's Janet and Gareth here, and we are in Cozumel, Mexico, the island of Cozumel. And we are on the Regal Princess there. We're parked next to the Carnival Glory and Harmony and Liberty of the Seas from Royal Caribbean. And you probably can't see it, but way down there is an NCL ship. I'm not sure which one, but it's not important. That's San Miguel. That's the main town, way down there. We're at the Puerto Maya cruise terminal, and the Royal Caribbean ships are at the International Cruise Terminal. So we're just going to take a trip to the port gates and let you enjoy. Now this is the duty-free store, and you have to walk through here to get out. There's no other way. So we call it the gauntlet. You have to run the gauntlet. Although they're not really bugging me to buy anything, and there are security guards along the way. Hi. But you have to do it. And sometimes it's really loud and noisy in here, and right now it's a little bit peaceful. Imagine. I'm going to swerve over this way and then swerve around here and get cut off at the pass. And swerve here. So they have liquor, candy, chocolate, they have perfume back there, lots of tequila, go figure, miniature bottles, really miniature bottles over here. I think those prices are US, $8.50 for that little bottle. Wow. The exchange rate in here is 18 pesos equals $1. I think the actual exchange rate today is 19 something, but you know, you're going to get what they want to give you, right? Most of the prices are marked in US dollars though. Most of the prices. See, USD, pesos. 10, so this is only 17 pesos to the dollar. So, should I exchange my money? Well, remember you got to pay a fee, so no, I wouldn't exchange my money. I'll just use US dollars. It's good all over. So now we walk through that store, and I want you to see just how clear the water is, how turquoise. It's very beautiful, although it's stormy today. We were actually going to take a shore excursion, a sailing excursion. I was looking forward to it, the whole cruise. This is our last port, and they canceled it on us last night. But here's donkeys. Of course, it's 3 amigos, and I see 4 there. I guess I can read a margarita over there. We're not going to buy any drinks here because we have the premier package on board, so we get all we can drink, and we've prepaid it. So what's Ron John Surf Shop? So what you have here is some Mayan ruins recreation and a lot of shopping and restaurants, and I mean a lot of shopping and restaurants. Look at these guys. So does that mean they have nobody in the store? He's got a Senior Frog shirt and St. Kitts shirt. So we didn't go to St. Kitts on our cruise. I'm going to guess they're from Carnival, especially the people with the Carnival room keys hanging around their neck, right? Here's another duty-free store. So the one we walked through, that was duty-free, and this is duty-free in Plaza Cozumel. That store has some cheap prices. We walked through there earlier. You should check out our video walking in Cozumel. You know, this is the 360, but they have bags there for $2.99 US and 4 t-shirts for $20. Now they say they're heavy duty. I didn't check them for heavy dutiness. There's a drugstore here. There's other shopping down in between here. I mean, there's like 3 aisles going down, right? we're on one of them. But there's another one on the other side of these stores, and then another one on the other side there, see? And these guys are all outside too. So that's interesting. Terry Loha, you saw Diamonds International, I think Emeralds International, Del Sol. This is a leather place, Rogers Boots, Reef. Another little plaza here. Let's cut through here.
Hey, I like your shirt.
There's also these little kiosks selling stuff. Their stuff isn't priced though, so I think they make up the price when they, you know, take a look at you, right? Banana Company and Banana and Company Bakery. Well, they're playing loud music, so I'm not going to go in there. Here's a drugstore. I see sunscreen, Piranha Joe, official store. I brought you this way so you can see this fountain and this little green area. Now earlier we saw some turtles down here, I think. I don't know that we're going to see any now. There's the ships. That was fun. Whoa! No Kumar. Please don't disturb the iguanas. Oh. So, you see any iguanas? I see turtles everywhere. And tortoises. See this guy right here? Here, let me go down. See them? 4 or 5 right there. I see no iguanas though. So they're probably under the boardwalk. Under the boardwalk. But the port gates are right through that building. Well, let's walk over there. See that giant palapa? The port gates are right through there. You can get out, there's a main road, you could walk along. It's about 5 miles to San Miguel, which is the main town in Cozumel, and the town where the cruise ships used to always go. You want to walk down there? But that's going to end our day in Cozumel. Let Janet fix my hair.
I'm Janet.
And I'm Jerry.
And we'll see you in the next one.
So, adios!